Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Keeping your lawn clean after mowing can feel like a chore, but the right tool makes all the difference. Best Rake for grass clippings is what many homeowners search for when they want faster, easier yard cleanup, ensuring their lawn stays neat, healthy, and beautifully maintained year-round.
After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Joyhalo 65-inch Rake. The Joyhalo 65-inch rake set is designed for anyone who wants a complete, ready-to-use solution for yard cleanup. The long stainless steel handle feels strong in hand, resisting bending even when you're pulling through thick leaves or heavier debris. Its metal rake head is protected with a corrosion-resistant coating, so it holds up well through frequent use and different weather conditions. The adjustable handle, stretching from 37 to 65 inches, makes the rake comfortable for adults or kids, letting you clean without constant bending. The included 32-gallon reusable polypropylene leaf bag is sturdy enough to withstand tears and moisture, making it dependable for repeated loading and dumping. The leaf scoops are a useful addition, cutting cleanup time significantly by allowing you to pick up more leaves with each grab while keeping your hands clean. Overall, this set brings durability, convenience, and family-friendly adjustability into one practical package for fast and efficient yard care. Number 2. YEELOR 61-inch Rake. The YEELOR 61-inch rake is built with durability and comfort in mind, making it a useful tool for maintaining artificial turf or refreshing outdoor surfaces. The PA nylon bristles are lightweight but tough, resisting heat and wear while providing gentle yet effective sweeping. Combined with a stainless steel handle, the rake remains sturdy even when working over large areas or stubborn patches of debris. Its adjustable handle offers 3 height settings: 32.7, 46.8, and 61 inches, so users of any height can work comfortably without straining their back. Installation is simple, requiring no tools. The locking button snaps securely into place, keeping the rake firm and stable during use. Whether you're maintaining turf, cleaning patios, or sweeping synthetic surfaces, this rake offers a combination of efficiency and ease that makes outdoor upkeep much simpler. Number 3. Coopvivi 18.5-inch Rake. The Coopvivi 18.5-inch rake stands out with its wide 25-tine metal head, giving users the ability to clear large areas quickly and efficiently. Whether you're gathering leaves, grass clippings, or scattered debris, each sweep covers more ground, reducing cleanup time noticeably. The extended stainless steel handle reaches up to 72.83 inches, keeping you upright and easing pressure on your back. The soft sponge grip adds a comfortable touch, preventing hand fatigue during longer yard work sessions. The adjustable and detachable handle makes the rake suitable for anyone in the family, and the quick release design makes storage straightforward. From fall leaf cleanup to general yard maintenance, this heavy-duty rake offers reliability and comfort in a thoughtfully engineered design, ideal for homeowners who need a tool that works hard and lasts. Number 4. EUIJOIP 65-inch Rake. The EUIJOIP 65-inch rake offers a sturdy and dependable solution for heavy-duty yard cleaning. Made from durable steel, it outperforms plastic rakes in strength and longevity, especially when dealing with thicker piles of leaves, pine needles, or denser debris. The 18-inch wide metal head provides excellent coverage, allowing you to clear larger areas with fewer passes, improving efficiency during big cleanup jobs. The adjustable handle can be customized by adding or removing tube sections, making it suitable for users of varying heights. Each section screws securely into a non-slip connector, ensuring the rake stays firm and comfortable in hand. EUIJOIP also backs the rake with an unusually long 9,999-day warranty, demonstrating confidence in its durability. For homeowners seeking a tough and adaptable yard tool, this rake is a dependable choice. Number 5. BlumeTrec 7FT Rake. The BlumeTrec 7FT rake is built for more demanding yard and landscaping tasks, offering a heavy-duty design that levels soil, sand, gravel, compost, and top dressing materials with consistency. Made from high-grade steel and reinforced with full welding, the rake maintains structural strength even during large-scale lawn projects. Its rust-resistant coating and thick frame allow it to stand up to outdoor conditions year-round. With adjustable plate sizes from 17 inches to 10 to 45 inches to 10, it works for everything from small gardens to expansive lawns or sports fields. The head angle adjusts from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, offering better control in tight corners or open ground. Assembly is straightforward, and once set up, the rake feels balanced and smooth to operate. Whether used for leveling, top dressing, or preparing soil, this tool offers dependable performance for both homeowners and professional landscapers.
Choosing the best manual push mower means embracing a smoother, quieter, and more natural way to care for your lawn. Its simplicity, freedom from fuel, and dependable cutting performance make it a smart long-term choice. Enjoy a cleaner routine and a greener approach every time you mow.